Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4 hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one of those represents 4 hours worth of time. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been tracking Ethereum on a pretty routine basis. Did the chart a couple days ago, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And so far, so good. Things have slowed down a little bit. When I mean slowed down, I mean it's not like the price is ripping and roaring like it was during this bounce right here. However, from the big picture of things, the key thing that has occurred is that while I get it that this price action here isn't the most exciting thing where it's just going sideways, I'm assuming I can speak for everybody when I say that it is a whole lot better than something like this where the price, rolls back over and is now, retesting this part of the chart down here. That hasn't happened. Again, yeah, it's going sideways, but going sideways at a higher area is always a good thing. So that's something to, definitely kind of keep in the back of your mind going forward when, kind of these shorter term instances may get a little annoying. Just keep in mind that as long as the quote-unquote annoying parts keep getting higher and higher over time, that implies that the price is making progress forward within an uptrend. So as far as key levels keeping, to watch going forward, what I'm going to do is go ahead and get rid of this line here. Sure, it pertains, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines over the place, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. But the big thing to watch going forward is in regards to the purple line here, the famous 50-period simple moving average. For those of you that have watched my past videos, you know that I've talked about this level time and time again. And for the longest time, it was, can the price ever get back up above it? Can the price get back up above it? And now the price is up above it. And on that note, I did want to point out this real quick, that a couple days ago, this was a very nice sign from the bullish perspective where the price did actually fall below it. Now, that may seem kind of goofy. Wait, why is that bullish that the price fell below it? Well, not necessarily that the price fell below it, but what happened afterwards? The price was able to get back above it. If you go back to through the chart's history and you look at past instances where the price fell below this purple line, this recovery did not happen and the price continued to separate to the downside. However, this time, not only did the price fight back above it, but so far so good, the price continues to remain above it. So going forward, definitely kind of the simplistic way to measure the health of the current chart is, can the price now stay up above that purple line like it's been doing? If it can, then the chart is only going to build upon itself and get stronger and stronger. So for a very kind of KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, watch that purple line, and as that purple line starts to curl upwards and then move upwards, as long as the price stays above it, the bulls are in a good position, and the bulls will only gain that much more momentum. So we'll see how this week continues to unfold. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.